I had my own set of SSD drives since I'm always moving content from one to another. So when this brand contacted me to make this video review of their NVMe SSD Enclosure box, I was super happy to accept. And after trying it on my own, I can give you my opinion about it. The first thing to mention is it's super fast, with a 40 GB per second compatibility and the Thunderbolt 4 cable connection. It offers great transfer speed. It also supports USB 4, 3, and 2.0. The outside of the box is made of an anti-scratching aluminum alloy which will protect your SSD drive, which, by the way, you need to make sure that it's 2280 size and BM key. The installation process, which I will show you now, is super easy to do, and once it is connected, you can double press the button on the outside to enable some really cool LED and RGB lights, as well as a single press the same button to enable the fan that will help you keep your drive in good temperature. It is also super compact and lightweight, with a net weight of only 140 grams and a thickness of less than 2 centimeters. This product offers both protection and convenience for the users on the go. I was able to test the transfer speed with a couple of MP4 videos, which altogether had a size of 3.8 gigabytes. And it took less than 10 seconds to transfer them all from my laptop to the actual SSD drive. That was super fast. But what I really like about this box, besides the quality, the LED lights, the speed, and the cooling fan, is that once you're done, you can just take it with you on the go and keep using the SSD disk. That is fantastic. I really like this enclosure box. I do recommend it. It's super easy to use and convenient as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.